Well, hello there. Merry Christmas. You see, I've got my little friend here. Right here. This is my Christmas tree. That's all I got. Today we're gonna make a little hot toddy. Let's do it. And since we don't have one of those fancy toddy glasses with a handle, we're gonna make ours in a wee little coupe. Let's get into it. We're gonna start off with a half an ounce of some freshly squeezed, for real, one night only, lemon juice. And to that, we are going to add 1 full ounce of a little vanilla-infused honey syrup. All right. Decisions. We're going to do little Jeffersons. And to this, we're going to add 1.5 ounces of this Jefferson's bourbon. And we're going to change this up a little bit. We're going to add a little tea bag. And then over top of that, we're going to pour some of this nice hot water. We're going to sprinkle in a little bit of cinnamon. And then we're going to let this steep for a couple minutes. Would you look at it?
Ah, would you look at that sunset?
And through the magic of editing, it is now steeped for a couple of minutes. Bring that out. And from our buddy over at Gnomes Tavern, since we're making a little tea hot toddy, we're going to add a couple drops of his Gnomes Tavern Earl Grey bitters. Thanks, buddy. Give this one little stir. And we're going to garnish this with a little lemon zest, a little expression, drop it in, and there you have it. A little hot toddy with some vanilla-infused honey syrup and the bitters, the Gnomes Tavern Earl Grey bitters. Cheers, guys.